pass through the France border, and it's so nice. It's like we are driving around the winter wonderland, and we are on our way to Alsace. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it correctly. Alsace. Freaking cold. I think it's minus 5 degrees. We just arrived here at Colmar, and that's actually the main reason why we came here, is to visit this famous Christmas market here. And it's probably one of the most magical Christmas markets here in Europe. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around. Misty right now, and it's also a little bit snowy because it adds more of that magical feeling, magical vibe. So we're just gonna walk around, and then I'm also a little bit hungry right now, so let's find something to eat. What kind of sausage is this? Rote or no? It's sauerkraut. I got crab and hot wine to keep us warm. Oh, it's strong. Yeah, but it's so good. packed with people, guys. Especially it's weekend now, so make sure to go early here to secure parking space and also to enjoy the atmosphere, take nice photos, videos. It's our hotel check-in time now, so we're gonna go check in. We're so freezing cold right now and I can't stand it anymore. So our hotel is about 20 to 30 kilometers from here, so staying in Colmar is pretty expensive, so we decided to book a hotel in Germany. So yeah, it's more cheaper there than here, and it's not really that far. And then we're also planning to check out this other Christmas market. It's called Eguisheim, so yeah, let's check that out later. The name of our hotel is so cute, Lieblingsstück. That means Lieblingsplatz, sorry, that means lovely place. So let's check it out if it's really lovely. It's a restaurant inside, looking so cozy. Clean na? Let's check it out. Wow, oh my goodness. It looks so beautiful. Here we got our towels, and the bed is looking so cozy. Such a nice theme. Love it. We have coffee here, all the amenities, fridge, full-length mirror, and then we have the winter wonderland view here. Little table. I love it. So beautiful. And then let's check the bathroom. Do we have a bathtub? No, but it looks okay. Looks modern. Oh, I love it so much. Oh my god. Are we on a honeymoon? Little honeymoon. So we paid 109 euros for one night, and breakfast is already included. So guys, we are out and about again. We are on our way to France. We're going back there now to Eguisheim, and it's only about 5 in the afternoon and it's already dark. So and it's so freaking cold right now. And as you can see, we are using an old car. It's Philip's mom's car because ours has no winter tires. So yeah, we have to use this one. It's a little bit slower than what we used to, but it's okay. Better than nothing. Right, Honeg?
Yep.
Are you enjoying it?
Enjoying it.
Yeah, driving around the winter wonderland. Huh?
All frozen.
All frozen. But it looks so magical here as well. Everything is
In 800
white.
Metern links abbiegen. Danach links abbiegen. Links abbiegen. Danach halten Sie sich links.
Wow, there's so many people here. I can already see.
Halten Sie sich links. Danach halten Sie sich rechts.
We finally found a parking space. It took us a little longer because it's really packed here. Yeah, we are already going to the Christmas market. It's colder now because it's already dark. I'm not really sure if we're gonna hang around here longer because I don't know if I can stand the coldness, but it looks so beautiful here actually. You have to take turn taking videos because my hand is freezing right now. It's so cold, but it's so beautiful. Guys, I like it here actually. It's more beautiful than in Colmar, I would say. This is gonna be my favorite one. I know it's too early to say that, but it's so beautiful. Popular among locals, right? What do you think? It's like I'm in an old classic movie right now, and the weather doesn't really bother me. I enjoy it somehow. It's so beautiful, and I'm so happy to be here. Dangerous to walk around here. It's slippery. Oh my god, I like it here. Oh, Rutsisch. I love this corner here. I don't know, it's just so cute. And I think this is a hotel. Wow. Let's check it out here. So beautiful, right?
Winery.
Winery, yeah. I wonder how much it cost here. Overnight stay. And what are these here? Ah, okay. This is something like an advent calendar. So today is welches Datum heute?
17.
So today is 17. I don't know where 17 is. So this is the photo of the day. And then there will be 7 more days to go. So and then everything will be open. So we ended up here at a something like a traditional Turkish restaurant, and we got this as a starter. I don't know how it's called. Is it naan something?
Fladenbrot.
What? Fladenbrot? With salad. It's included, yes. So while waiting for our main course, and look at the grill, looks so young.
Massive.
Yeah, so massive. And I got ice.